Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video we're going to open up the Insta360 Action Invisible Selfie Stick. It says it weighs 124.3 grams, made of carbon fiber, 100 centimeters long when extended and 28 centimeters when retracted. We have a little instruction book, how to use it. And here we have it. It has a thread on the bottom that we can attach the tripod to that they sent us. And it doesn't twist, it just pulls straight out. Now unfortunately, I got the camera zoomed in. I'll make another video actually showing this in use, but this is how long it is. It's pretty long. Actually, if I'm going to measure it with the tape measure in inches, when it's fully extended, it's about 40.5 inches. And then when it's put away, it's a little over 10.5 inches. Not bad. There you have it. Thanks for watching.